Hello everyone, welcome back to Nursochondria. If you are a nurse dreaming to work in the USA and getting an international license, this video is for you. Today, I will explain step by step how to apply for the NCLEX-RN exam, especially for Bangladeshi nurses. What is NCLEX-RN? The NCLEX-RN is a licensing exam that every nurse must pass to work as a registered nurse in the USA. It's conducted by NCSBN and it checks whether you are ready to provide safe and effective care. It's a computer adaptive test, which means the computer adjusts the next question based on your previous answer. We'll gauge between 85 to 150 questions and the exam lasts up to 5 hours. It includes multiple choice, SATA, that means select all that apply, case studies, and clinical scenarios. To apply for the NCLEX-RN from Bangladesh, you must have a valid nursing license from the Bangladesh Nursing and Midwifery Council, have completed a recognized nursing diploma or BSc in nursing, and go through a credential evaluation. This verifies your education and license. Most nurses use services like CJFNS or NYSED to do this. And remember, every US state board of nursing has slightly different requirements, so always check their website before applying. The documents that must need to collect before applying are the certificate and academic transcript, RN card, and of course the passport. Now, the application process. Let's break down the process. Step 1. Choose a state board of nursing. Each state has its own rules, so research which one accepts international applicant easily, like New York. Step 2. Do your credential evaluation. Use CJFNS or NYSED to verify your transcript and license. Most of the Bangladeshi nurses choose New York State Education Board. Step 3. Apply to the Board of Nursing in NYSED. Here, you will have 1F form, 2F form, and 3F form. Once you fill up this, they will approve and they will confirm your eligibility, and it's for lifetime. Step 4. Receive your ATT. This means you are ready to book your exam. Remember, once you get your ATT, it will expire after 6 months. Step 5. Schedule your exam at Pearson VUE. It's the official testing center for NCLEX. Sadly, in Bangladesh there is no center, so you have to go to the nearest country like India, Malaysia, or Singapore to attend the exam. Step 6. Finally, take the exam and wait for your results. How to prepare for NCLEX? Here's what worked for me and thousands of nurses. Saunders' comprehensive review is the best for full content review. Simple nursing is great for visual learners, and the nursing school bundle is the summary of all the content. UL or Archer review. Here you can practice questions that feel just like the real exam. Preparing for the NCLEX-RN while working full-time is not easy, but trust me, it's worth it. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and you will succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nursochondria for more nursing tips. Until next time, keep studying, keep believing. See you in the next video.